One of the great things about our product is it's a really lightweight product. You think that it's a steel product, so your mind just kind of goes, a lot of people's mind just goes to it being heavy. It's actually fractional compared to architectural shingles as far as what you're getting for coverage wise. So anybody have a guess what architectural shingles range in weight?
For a bundle, guys?
For a square?
80 pounds.
So a bundle probably runs 60 to 80 pounds. A square, a low end maybe starts around 180 to 200, can be upwards of 400 pounds per square. Our panels run about 7 pounds or 6 pounds a piece, okay? So there's roughly 20 to 25 panels per square, depending on the profile that you're offering. This one, the Shingle XD, happens to calculate to 23.8. This is installed average with accessories around 150 pounds a square. So it's a lightweight product. In certain markets, you know, Decra has no limitations as far as how many layers you can go over. Code ultimately dictates what's allowed. Some parts of the country, everything's got to be torn off. Some parts of the country, you know, you're allowed to go back with a lighter weight material. It's not so much the layers, it's the total weight that's on the roof. So it is super lightweight. This is an actual panel. It comes one size fits all, so this is what you're going to get every time. It's not like a long span standing seam or 5V type metal where you can actually have the manufacturer cut it to length depending on your runs. There's 5 screws that get attached, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't ask me why the spacing is not even across there. I have no idea. But these are just pre-punched holes to act as pilots. They don't necessarily have to be used. This is just going to help your screw get started as it's punching through. It's not bored all the way through the back side of the material, so you don't have to worry about any kind of holes being left open. So again, 5 screws per panel. If you ever find yourself down in the Miami or Gulf Coast area, there are some wind fastening schedules that you can achieve higher uplift pressures for. With this system and the Shake XD system, essentially it boils down to doubling up your fasteners around your perimeter. So you're going from 5 screws to 10 screws. So the Shake XD is going to be more of a heavy cut, hand split wood shake type look. Virtually identical installations. The panels are, this is a 12¼ inch reveal. The Shake XD is a 12 3/8 reveal, so it's pretty much the same. Really, it's going to be the same length. There's a little bit different mechanism for how the side laps attach. This is obviously a 2-course panel, whereas that is a 1-course look. So that one has more of a top to bottom slot. I don't know if you can see those grooves that run vertically on the panel. The 2 outer ends, the factory ends, we'll find that there's a slot that they drop into to create that water channel that's pressed into here. But both of these products, in the way that they're manufactured, I'll show you a slide later, but they actually get corrugated as they come off the coil. It goes through a corrugation machine, which provides some rigidity to it. And then from there, it goes through a series of presses and stages in our tooling that put the pads into here. It makes the folds for the top and bottom clip locks. It'll create some additional rain grooves that'll go on our side lap channel. And then on the overlying side, this side will be sticking on top of the side lap. There are some additional weep holes that are punched in here in case wind happens to get through that seam and ride down your rain channels. It has a spot to drip out down at the base. Okay.